Yes, alright. Hello guys, I'm happy to see you now again in this video, and this tutorial will improve on our skills. Will make a 3D tube rotation. It will make kind of this tube that it rotates continuously, and it's a 3D design of HTML and CSS. So we need to improve on our skills in CSS so that we can make something similar to this. To start with this, you will go to your desktop and create a new folder. You can name it tube. Let's drag this folder in your VS Code. You can drag it in your VS Code, and then we'll create a new file called index.html. The next thing, we will create another file called style.css, then press enter. From that, if you come back to your index.html, type the word doc, then press enter in VS Code. It will give you a starting point. From that, we have the body. This is the body that we can get started to type our code. So within the body, we will put a div. We'll put a div. Press enter. It will have a class of wrapper. So from that, I will put another div. This div will have a class of container. So within the container, we will have 4 sides. From that, we will have a div. This will be a div to have a class of sides, and then the back. These sides will be representing each side with the same size, the front, the back, plus the sides. Then this is specifically for the back. So this is the back. This is the back side. If you copy this, paste it here. Size, this is the left. This is the left side, and this is the right side. This is the right side, and then this is the front. This is the front side. From that, if we go to the styling, we'll need to import this styling within this HTML file. We'll say link rel equals style sheet, and then we'll have a left of style.css. There the styling will be imported. From there, let's try to go and open this and see what we have. This is what we have so far. when we come back here, let's now go to the styling. Let's go to the styling and see. The styling will have the whole page will have a margin of 0, padding of 0. We have a box sizing, border box, and then for the body, let's have a width. Let's have a width of 100 pixels plus the height of 100 VH, and then justify content center plus align items center. So from there, we go to from there we have a background color of if we put black, let me see, if we go with this color, here is what we have. So now the next thing we'll have let's put a display of legs. Yeah. Okay. From there, if we are to continue, we'll have this. We have this class here. This class here, the wrapper. Copy that and put dot with that class, and say perspective will be 1000 pixels, and then from there we'll have the container. The container will have a width of 200 pixels plus the height 200 pixels. So from there you have position to be relative, and then let's see transform style. This is transform style to be preserve 3D. Let's put the border 1 pixel solid, and then see white. Yes, here is the thing. Here you can see the thing. So from that we can put transform style, preserve 3D, and then from that and then as we proceed, let's go now. So now if we are to come to the site, so if we come to the site, it will have a width of, we will say inherit, and then plus the height, inherit, and then from there we have position, and the position to be absolute. And then we'll say I will say transform style. I will have preserve 3D, and then we have a display of flex, and then justify content center. Let's also say align items center, and then as we continue, sorry, we had made a mistake here. For the width of the body, this had to be 100%, not pixels. So if you continue back, let's put a font size. A font size maybe of 20 pixels, and then the opacity to be 0.5. So if we refresh, we can see. Okay, let's put 25 pixels. So this is the, we are working on the back side. So the next thing that we need to work on, the next thing is this is the back side. So let's have a transform translate Z minus 100 pixels, rotate, this is rotate Y 180 degrees. Yes. So the next thing is if we come to the left, that left, if we put the background color to be red, and then we'll copy this. So to have a transform, okay, let's do transform origin to be left. So from there, we can say you can say transform translate Z minus 100 pixels, rotate Y minus 90 degrees. So here we see what we have so far. So, and then from there you have the right, the right side, which is this one. At the right side you will have a background color of blue, and then we will have transform origin to be left, and then I have transform translate Z minus 100 pixels, rotate Y to be 90 degrees. Is it? So here this was to be right, transform origin had to be right, and so from there we see it's now on the right hand side. And the next thing is the front side, which is this one. The front side you will have a background color of yellow, and we have a transform translate Z 100 pixels. Yes, I think here we have something good. So from there let's try making some rotation and see. Let's try making some rotation and see what takes place. We'll come to here to the container, animation rotate 8 seconds, linear infinite. From there you'll have here a key at keyframes rotate, at 0%. We'll have transform translate, transform rotate, rotate 0 degrees. This is rotate y. We are rotating the y-axis, so at 100%, we have a transform rotate 360 degrees. So from there, this is rotate y. Yes, this is what we wanted. So but there is this middle line that we don't need for now. It is on the container. Let's comment this out. Yes, now I think we have some good work that we have done so far. So let me know down in the comment section if this video has been so helpful, and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you get notified of any useful content. See you in the next video.